we'll guide you through how to create a resume in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, look towards the top left and click on the plus sign to create a new document. Instead of starting with a blank page, you'll want to save time by using a template. So, head over to the top menu and click on Template Gallery. Here, you'll find a variety of resume templates. Scroll through and select one that matches your style and the industry you're applying for. Once you've chosen a template, click on it, and it will open as a new document. Now, you can start personalizing it. Click on the placeholder text and begin typing your information. You'll need to include your name, contact details, and a professional summary. Make sure to add your work experience and education. Use the sections provided to list your skills and any certifications or achievements. It's important to keep the formatting consistent, so try to stick with the font and style provided in the template. If you need to add or remove sections, simply highlight the text and use the backspace or delete key, or insert new sections by clicking Insert from the top menu. Once your resume is complete, you can save it as a PDF by clicking on File, then Download, and choosing PDF document. This ensures the formatting stays consistent when you send it out. Remember to proofread your resume carefully before downloading. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.